Hi, welcome to Basic Math Functions, Part 3. And in this video, we'll cover rand between, rand array, and sequence functions. Now, before doing these formulas, let's understand what is rand function. Now, rand function returns a random decimal number between 0 and 1. And the syntax for this is equal to rand, and the parenthesis should be left. Nothing should be written in the parenthesis. It should be left blank. Now, let's enter the rand formula here to generate the random decimal series is equal to rand and open parenthesis, leave it blank and close the parenthesis on and just generate it. Now a range of you have seen this a random decimal number has been generated and you can just copy down the formula by clicking your left mouse button or dragging it down. Now, coming to the rand between function. Now, rand between function returns random integers between two given numbers. Here, integer refers to the whole number, so where you don't have the decimals. Now, the syntax for this is rand between is equal to rand between with a bot, and within the parenthesis, you have to give your bottom number and your top number for the random series that you want to generate. So here, I'll enter is equal to rand between, and then I'll write my bottom number as 5 and my top number as 25. Let's do this. Let's copy this formula like this, and you can also copy it. These of numbers are generated with using rand between function. These are whole numbers. Now coming to rand array. So rand array gives an array of random values. Now what is an array? Array is a range of continuous cells, either row wise or a range of continuous cells column wise, or it can be a range of continuous cells both row wise and column wise. That is called an array. Now here in rand array, you can either generate both decimals as well as whole numbers. First, we'll see how to generate decimal numbers with rand array. So is equal to rand array and is equal to rand array and rows. The syntax for this is rows, columns, minimum, max, and true. So let's enter the rows here, the number of rows that you want to generate. Here that we have 5 rows, and then the columns are 3, and the min is 5 where you want to generate, and the max is 50, the maximum number, and then the last one which is showing integer. So if you're going to click on true, it'll give an integer. If you're going to click on false, it's going to give you a decimal number. So let's click on true, and so you'll get an integer in return, and you have a range of cells in this entire array with numbers. Now we can do the same formula, repeat it. Okay, let's copy the formula here. Control C, and let's do this again, Control V. Now we have a different, though we have copied the formula, we have a different number of numbers set here, because every time you enter the mouse or click the mouse, the formula gets initiated again, and again it generates a random series of numbers. So now if I want to get this into decimal, I'll use the same syntax, but I will change the last one to false. And now it will give me the results in decimals. Now coming to the sequence formula. Now sequence is where it will generate an array of sequential numbers. Okay. So rand between or rand array will generate any random numbers, whether it can be whole number or it can be a decimal number, rand array. But sequence will be generating an array of sequential numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that in a sequence. Now the array can be either one dimensional like this, row wise or column wise, or the sequence can be generated in two dimensional, including both the columns and rows. But the syntax for sequence is equal to sequence row, and in the parenthesis we have rows, columns, start, and step. So let's see how this formula is done. Is equal to sequence, and then write the number of rows. We have 5 rows here. So let's write 5, and columns, the number of columns here are 4, which we have highlighted. And the start, let's do the start number as 5. And step is like if you want to increase by 1, uh, that is the default. And you close the parenthesis, then you can generate a series of numbers like this. So in a sequential manner, from 5, you've got till 24. But if you want to increase it by 2, the stepwise into 2, okay? And now we have made the stepwise 2, and let's see what we're going to get. So we're going to get 5, 7, 9, 11. So every time the next increment number will be increased by 2 more numbers, right? So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So in that way. Now, if we again, if you want to change the stepwise, you can also give same thing. You can enter any number 5 and press enter. So you have this sequence in multiples of 5. So we can see this at multiples of 5. And if you want to generate in multiples of 100, so you can also do this in multiples of 100. And so we can see here, we are getting this, the starting number is 5 and we are having multiples of 100. So we are getting this 5, 105 to not 5. So whatever number that you're going to type in the sequence, the start number and the step value, you can change the formula. I hope I've cleared all your doubts in this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Keep practicing Excel. And thank you.